Welcome back to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Isabel, and today we will be going over how to change the filament for your Bambu 3D printer. First, we will need to go to the screen and then navigate to the filament menu. Press the printer icon, which is right under the home icon. You will then scroll down to feeding. Then you will select the unload option. The extruder will begin to reverse the filament and roll it back into the spool. Once the filament stops reversing, you can go ahead and remove it from the AMS. Next, you can press the load option. Make sure you place the filament in the AMS correctly. The filament should be coming out from the top of the spool, not from underneath. To load the filament into the PTFE tube, you will need to push up on the gray tab and insert the filament until it starts pulling. It will heat up in the nozzle for a little, then it will be ready to print. Also, be sure to save your empty spools from your filament, because some refills don't always come with spools. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped in any way, make sure to leave a like down below. See you next time, and as always, keep creating.